welcome to our reunion here in Villa Excellence. February pa lang, this 2025, masaya na kaming magkakasama rito. I wish everybody good health and welcome again to our class reunion, batch 72.
When up is down and down is up, when your half full glass looks like a half empty cup, when you're running into dead ends and everywhere you turn, well, seize the opportunity, live and learn. Hey,
My message is to contribute what you can for a better relationship between all of us. You know, like I said earlier, no, there's no rich, there's no poor. It's what we wear in high school. Those are the ones important we should treasure.
tired of the man games everybody seems to play. Well, it's a life lesson, cause that game is here to stay. If she leaves it for another, then text you with the news. Just thank
Now, to all my batchmates and classmates, I'm happy that again in the second month of 2025, we are already together.
Mabuhay ang Batch 72 SSCR! Mabuhay ang SSCR High School Batch 72! Yay!
the universe behave.
Alam mo kasi tayo, yung high school reunion, very important sa atin yan eh. Kasi yung kabataan tayo, ngayon, it's been 53 years. Pagmula nung nag-graduate kami sa high school, iba yung camaraderie, yung nagpupulong-pulong uli kayo para makita-kita, napakasaya.
Main reason to push it para sa akin is to make sure na we see each other para naman bago tayo tumanda, bago tayo maghirap na lumakad o hindi makapamasyal, we had the memory na magkakasama tayo kahit na isang beses.
Malaking bagay sa akin na makita ko uli ang aking mga classmates and batchmates of class 1972. It gave me so much pride at kaligayahan to be with you guys.
Ang mensahe ko lang is make sure you take care of yourself, try everything possible para makapunta kayo sa mga get-together na ganito. That way, kahit na paano, magkita-kita tayo. Kung hindi pwede next year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. Ang importante is tayo buo pa rin, magkakasama pa rin hanggang sa huling sandali.
Sa lahat ng mga class of 72, it's another reunion. Okay, thank you for coming and lahat ng sumuporta. Nagpapasalamat kami. Sama-sama tayo. Let's go party!
We only live once. Okay. One day, we're gonna kick the bucket and we're gonna be gone on this earth. Kaya, while we're still kicking and alive, enjoy the moment being together. Treat everybody as a human being and treat everybody as we are all friends and classmates.
Mabuhay San Sebastian Bagsaliko!